Did you know that the biggest breakthroughs often come from moments we almost ignored? This video found you for a reason, and by the end you'll learn the exact steps to recognize hidden opportunities most people overlook. Don't skip this, because if you do, you might miss out on the one message you were meant to hear today. Have you ever had a moment where something just felt off? Or maybe it felt perfectly right, like it was too perfect to be a coincidence. Maybe you've bumped into someone you hadn't seen in years right after thinking about them. Or you notice the same number 1111 showing up everywhere, on clocks, receipts, or license plates. Most people brush these moments off as random, but what if they're not? What if these moments are actually signals trying to get your attention? The truth is, we're constantly surrounded by patterns, messages, and clues, but the reason most people miss them is simple: they're not paying attention. And because they ignore them, they miss out on opportunities, answers, and even life-changing ideas that are often hiding in plain sight. But don't worry, by the time we're done, you'll know exactly how to start recognizing these signs and, more importantly, how to use them to create real changes in your life. Now, before we dive deeper, let me explain why these moments feel so significant. And no, it's not magic. It's science. Inside your brain is something called the reticular activating system. Think of it as your mind's filter. It decides what's important and what gets ignored. That's why if you suddenly start thinking about buying a red car, you start seeing red cars everywhere. They were always there, but now your brain is tuned in to notice them. And the same thing happens with patterns like 1111. When your focus sharpens on a specific thought, goal, or even feeling, your brain begins to highlight anything related to it. But here's where it gets interesting. Many believe that these patterns aren't just psychological, but also spiritual. They see them as nudges, reminders, or even wake-up calls from something greater than ourselves. The real question, though, is what these signs actually mean and how you can use them to move forward in your life. And in just a second, I'll explain what 1111 could be trying to tell you and what to do when it shows up. But first, let's talk about why most people completely miss these signs and how you can make sure that doesn't happen to you. The truth is, most people are too distracted to notice the signs right in front of them. Think about it, our lives are filled with endless notifications, deadlines, and mindless scrolling. It's no wonder we overlook subtle patterns or gut feelings that are trying to grab our attention. But here's the scary part: ignoring these signs could mean missing out on life-changing opportunities. Imagine getting a nudge to reach out to someone, take a risk, or start something new, but you brush it off and later realize it was exactly what you needed to do. That's the trap most people fall into. They dismiss these moments as coincidences and move on, never realizing the potential they just walked away from. But here's the good news: you're not going to let that happen. By learning to spot these signals and trust your instincts, you can start unlocking doors that others never even see. So how do you make sure you never miss these signs again? It starts with awareness, paying attention to the little details that most people ignore. And in the next part of this video, we're going to break down what seeing 1111 really means and how you can use it as a tool to move forward with confidence. Whether you've seen this number before or it's just starting to appear now, you'll be amazed at what it could reveal about your path and what steps you need to take next. Let's talk about 1111, why this number shows up, and why so many people feel drawn to it. For centuries, repeating numbers have been linked to patterns of synchronicity, and 1111 is one of the most powerful examples. Some believe it's a wake-up call, a signal that you're entering a new chapter in life, or that you're being guided toward a specific purpose. Others see it as a confirmation that you're on the right path, even if you can't fully see where it's leading yet. But what's most fascinating is how often this number appears during moments of personal growth, decision-making, or even uncertainty. It's like a cosmic nudge, reminding you to pay attention, stay focused, and trust that something bigger is happening behind the scenes. But here's the thing: seeing 1111 is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you start taking action. Whether it's pursuing an idea you've been sitting on, reconnecting with someone important, or finally stepping out of your comfort zone, these signals are meant to push you forward. And when you act on them, you'll start to notice even more patterns and opportunities unfolding around you. But don't just take my word for it, stick around, because in the next part of this video, I'm going to give you 3 specific steps to help you turn these signs into meaningful action. Once you follow these steps, you'll start seeing results faster than you ever thought possible. Now that you know what 1111 could mean, the real question is, what should you do when you see it? Because recognizing a sign is only half the battle. The real transformation happens when you take action. So, here are 3 simple but powerful steps to make sure you're not just noticing these moments but actually using them to create change in your life. Step 1. Pay attention to your thoughts. The moment you notice 1111 or any other unusual sign, pause and ask yourself, what was I thinking about right before I saw this? Often these signs show up when you're contemplating an idea, a decision, or even a dream that's been sitting in the back of your mind. It's your job to connect the dots and figure out why this moment matters. Step 2. Write it down. Keep a journal and record when you see patterns like 1111, how you felt in that moment, and what was happening around you. This might seem simple, but it helps you track patterns over time and notice connections you might otherwise miss. Many people find that journaling helps them discover trends, insights, and even solutions to problems they've been struggling with. Step 3. Take one small step forward. Whether it's reaching out to someone, making a decision you've been putting off, or even just researching an idea, action is what transforms signs into breakthroughs. The more you respond to these signals, the more confident you'll become in trusting your instincts, and that's when things start to shift. The truth is, signs are only as powerful as what you do with them. So don't let fear, doubt, or overthinking keep you stuck. These moments are meant to guide you, but it's up to you to follow the path they're pointing to. And if you're still unsure about what steps to take, don't worry, because in the final part of this video, I'll leave you with one last key that ties everything together and ensures you never miss an opportunity again. If this video found you, it's not random. It's because you were meant to hear this message today. Maybe it's a reminder to trust yourself more, to act on something you've been holding back, or to simply pay closer attention to what's happening around you. Whatever it is, don't ignore it. You now know how to recognize signs, track patterns, and take small steps forward, and that's where the real growth happens. But don't stop here. The fact that you're still watching this video proves you're ready for more, so take this as a sign to keep going. Drop a comment below if you've ever experienced moments like this, and let's talk about it. Share your story, because you never know who else might need to hear it. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because this is just the beginning. In my next video, I'll dive even deeper into how to use these patterns to set bigger goals, attract more opportunities, and create the life you want. But for now, take this as your sign and start paying attention. Because the universe is always speaking. You just have to listen. Before you go, I want to leave you with one final thought. What if the reason you keep seeing signs like 1111 isn't just about what's coming, but about who you're becoming? Think about it. Maybe these moments are less about predicting the future and more about reminding you of the power you already have to create it. Because at the end of the day, signs don't work unless you do. So the next time you see 1111 or anything that feels like it's speaking directly to you, don't just notice it. Ask yourself, what's the next step I've been avoiding? That might just be the sign you've been waiting for. If this hit home for you, make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. And don't forget to check out my next video, where we'll explore how to set intentions so powerful that the universe can't ignore them. Until then, trust the signs, trust yourself, and most importantly, take action.